Hello, welcome to a Famous Names video. Today let's take a look at removal of Boost Gel. Start off with a removal wrap, whatever type you prefer, and some acetone and a file, or your favorite acetone-based remover. You're going to want to take your nails with the Boost Gel and break the seal on the top coat. So just take your file and break that seal on all the nails, going around all the edges and going over the top coat. Basically removing the shine is what you're doing to break the seal, and filing into that top coat a little bit, maybe even filing the top coat off so that you've completely broken that seal on that top coat, and getting that so that you're going to be able to remove that boost in the 15 minutes. Once you've broken the seal on the top coat, completely saturate the pad on your remover wrap, whichever style of wraps you prefer, with your acetone or your acetone-based remover. You want to make sure you've got that nice and saturated, and then wrap up that nail nice and tight. You want to make sure you've got a good tight fit with that cotton pad, and that the cotton pad is nice and saturated, whatever removal wrap system you prefer. Then set your timer for 15 minutes. Whoops, sorry about that. Ideally, the timer is set for 15 minutes, whatever timer that you're using in the salon. And when that 15 minutes is up, we're gonna kind of move the wrap around on the finger a little bit. Kind of loosen up that boost on the surface, and then pull that wrap off. Dust off any loose boost that's ready to get out of the way. And then very, very, very gently push off any stubborn boost. Really, really gently. We don't want to cause any damage by scraping at it, so we're just really gently pushing it. And if it doesn't want to come off by gently pushing it, put a little bit of acetone on a cotton pad or gauze or whatever it is you're using in the salon, and press it onto that nail, and let that acetone or your favorite acetone-based remover soak into that base coat, and let the last of it finish removing. Just kind of hold that in place, and then scrub those remaining bits of the boost off the nail. Sometimes there'll be a little bit of that remaining base coat, and we just want to give it the opportunity to finish coming off with our remover. And just holding that pad in place with the remover will give it the opportunity to finish saturating through the base coat. There we go. Once it's finished saturating through with the base coat, then we can put a little bit of daddy oil on if we're not going to reapply. Make sure you're educating them to the benefits of using daddy oil at home as you massage it in, and send them on their way out the door with their own daddy oil to use at home. Thanks for joining us for a video. Please make sure you subscribe, and we would love to see you on our other social media channels.